Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Ops 4 offline. First, make sure your game is completely updated while connected to the internet. This ensures you have all the necessary content downloaded. Once updated, you can disconnect your console from the network. Then, simply launch the game and navigate to the local play section. From there, you can select your preferred game mode, such as zombies or multiplayer, and start playing without an internet connection. Once in the local play menu, you have full control over your game settings. You can customize match rules, adjust bot difficulty, and even set up specific game modes. Feel free to select your favorite maps and create unique custom classes tailored to your playstyle. For those playing with friends, many modes support split-screen co-op, allowing you to enjoy the action together on one console. It's a fantastic way to experience the game without needing an online connection. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: just like you want your game to run smoothly, you want your car to smell great. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your commute. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other awesome deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Black Ops 4 offers several engaging modes playable entirely offline. The popular Zombies mode provides hours of solo or split-screen cooperative fun, battling hordes of the undead. For those who enjoy competitive play, the multiplayer section lets you set up custom matches against AI bots on a wide array of maps. Additionally, the Specialist Headquarters offers a unique single-player narrative experience, introducing you to the game's various specialists and their backstories. There's plenty to explore without an internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.